Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bea, and on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a Chanel unboxing. Well, it is more like a reveal, but yeah, I'm very happy and excited to finally get this piece in my collection. So if you haven't seen my luxury wish list for 2022, you should really go and check that out. I'm going to link it here for you guys, and without further ado, let's jump into this video. Okay, so this is a bag that it came in, and the box, this is a reveal, so I tried to wrap it. And do you have any guesses, guys? Yes, this is a classic flap, you can see from the dust bag. I am super happy and excited to finally get this piece in my collection. And yeah guys, can't wait to show you. Please comment in the section down below if you have an idea of which bag is this, and let's see if you get it right. So here it is. Oh my god, I am so excited about this bag. It's the beige clear Chanel classic flap in the caviar leather with gold hardware. Oh my god, you guys, I've been looking for this bag for so long, for many years actually, and I never had the chance to actually find the exact bag I wanted. Of course, I could have gone the pre-love route, but I like to have my bags brand new. But okay, that's another topic. Look at this, guys. How beautiful is it? Beautiful caviar leather. The gold hardware is just amazing. I prefer gold hardware over champagne. I think it's richer, and I really like it. And oh my god, you guys, so I'm gonna tell you the story behind this bag. So actually I got this bag before the price increase, the latest price increase actually, and someone told me that they release these bags only when they are going to have a price increase. So I've been asking my SA for the longest time. Even traveling, I have looked for it in different countries. They always have like different, like not the exact combo that I wanted. Bigger size, like the medium size, or they had silver hardware, or they had lambskin, stuff like that. So I just waited, and as you may already know if you've been following me for a while, I do own the beige iridescent. Here it is. I brought it here just to compare both bags. So as you can see, they are very similar, and actually I got this bag because of course I loved it, but since I couldn't get the beige clear, I thought this one would do the job. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Here you can see a little bit better difference. This beige color, it's a little bit darker than the iridescent, and of course the hardware. This is like gold hardware, and this is gold hardware. I prefer gold hardware much more, but don't get me wrong, I still love this bag. So long story short, I got it before price increase, and my SA told me they got this bag, so I made the bank transfer, and 2 or 3 days later, she contacted me and she told me that there was a mistake. So the bag was marked with the old price. And I was like, okay, so that's not my problem. I mean, I paid when it was the other price. But sadly, she just told me like, okay, so we can do this. You can make another bank transfer for the difference in price, or you can have a refund. So I was like really angry about that, because she never told me this before, and I was this close to just cancel the purchase, and I was going to tell her to make the refund. But I know myself, so I knew that if I do that, I was going to look for the bag in the future, and probably I would have to pay more for it. So I was like, okay, I've been wanting this bag for so long. I actually bought this one because I couldn't find this one, and I thought like, okay, just go for it. It was a huge jump in the price, let me tell you. This is crazy, you guys. The price increases are just insane, and I finally got it, and I'm very happy. I think this is, you can't go any more classic than this. Of course, also the black Chanel classic flap, it's super classic, but yeah, I just fell in love with this bag. Since the moment I saw it, I knew I made the right decision. Okay, so I'm gonna show you just the inside. This one is made in France, and this one has the chip here, which I think it's called the chip because sometimes the authenticity card I don't know, you can lose it so easily. So this is the bag. As you know, you cannot go wrong with this bag. And yeah, I finally got it. I was debating because I was like, okay, I already have the iridescent, so maybe it's going to be super repetitive. Maybe here on camera it doesn't show much difference, but in real life it's more evident. And yeah, this one, I don't really know the type of leather this one is. It's pebble leather, but as you can see, it's much thinner. The grain is so much thinner than the caviar. And this one feels softer, this one is more structured. And yeah, guys, that's what I got from Chanel. So let me know your opinion. Let me know what do you think, guys. That was the story behind this bag. I don't know if I'm gonna keep buying Chanel because their prices are insane now, and I think I'm gonna start focusing more into Hermes now, since prices are not so different right now. So yeah, but I always say that, and something always catch my eye from Chanel. I love the brand, I love the style of the brand, and I don't know. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you till my next one.